44 euros in 5 minutes, 126 euros in 15 minutes, 195 euros in 30 minutes, 346 euros in 60 minutes. This is money I have earned in the last day trading online with the Trend Trading Partner System. Do you know why it's so hard to make money on the markets? Well, there is a simple answer to that. It is not. I know a secret that professional traders are trying to hide from you. The reason is that they want to keep you in the poorhouse, and if their little secret gets out, then anybody will be able to make money on the financial markets. The thing is, I used to be one of those big Frankfurt traders, and I know how they make their money. I learned a lot while trading professionally, and soon I began to trade for myself, developing my own system, which, if followed carefully, it's possible to make up to 1,200 euros a day. You're probably right now asking yourself why I'm about to share this with you. Good question. Well, I've established a network of traders called the Trend Trading Partners. Basically, I cut a deal with my favorite broker platform. They offer me a commission on all partners winning trades. This is why I want you to succeed. When you win, I win. And with my secret system, you will win. So Trend Trading Partners is a group of traders who came together to help each other. Along with sharing tips and research on how to trade, we've also collaborated to create a trading system. The Trend Trading System relies on several tools and indicators which are utilized to do one thing: create profit. If you're watching this video, it means we have available places in Trend Trading Partners. Places are limited, but you have the opportunity to join if you are successful with our system. You will be if you follow the Trend Trading System correctly. You will profit. This is a system that taps into a little-known but astronomical wealth that only the most elite power players know about. I know that in sharing this with you, I'm about to make a lot of these Frankfurt fat cats very angry. Since you're watching my video, this tells me that you are interested in making money online. Am I right or am I right? Maybe you want the big house, expensive cars, or maybe you just want to make some extra cash. This system will give you the freedom you have always dreamed of. Freedom to do whatever you want, whenever you want. And if you want to achieve the same freedom, then you have to listen to everything I'm about to say. I'm going to offer you our secret system. You probably think that trading successfully online is complicated, but actually it really only comes down to two simple skills: reading charts and spotting the trends. In the next minutes, I will explain to you how to read these things. Can you read? Of course you can. Everybody can read, right? Then everybody can follow my system and start earning money on the financial markets. Just follow me for a few more moments and I will briefly explain the system. There is a secret indicator which professional traders exploit. They are called Bollinger Bands. With these Bollinger Bands, you can predict which direction stock prices trend. And this, my friend, is how professional traders make their trading decisions. Simple as that. Over the last month, I have placed hundreds of trades and watched my account grow and grow. The best way to explain the system is for you to see it in action. Over the next 5 minutes, I will place some trades using my system. You will see firsthand how the Trend Trading System works. I use 3 tools to earn my money. First, I use a broker platform. Second, I use candlestick charts. And third, I use a particular indicator called Bollinger Bands. Following, I will explain what these tools are exactly and how I use them to earn money. First things first, you need to open a broker account. I prefer to use BD Swiss. They have a great user interface and a reliable deposit and withdrawal service. Another great thing is they offer a great English-speaking customer support team, so you can always talk to your account manager if you have any problems. The great thing about binary options is that you aren't buying stocks. you're only predicting the direction of a certain asset price. It doesn't matter whether it's up or down. The most important thing is that you can predict the price trends, which with my method is very easy to do. So if you think the price will fall, then you click Put. If you think the price will rise, you press Call. Simple as that. Using candlestick charts and Bollinger Bands together, you can predict when price trends are occurring and in which direction they will go. So now, onto the candlestick charts. It's pretty simple. Each candle represents a certain time period. We have our public charts set to 1 minute. So every minute a new candle is created. It is green if the asset price is higher than the asset price from the start of the 1 minute period. It is red if the asset price is lower after the minute period than at the start of the 1 minute period. The 1 minute candles are perfect for our method, which you will see firsthand shortly. There are 3 different types of trends which you need to understand: up trends, down trends, and static trends. Only up and down trends are useful to us because we can only profit when the markets are trending up or down. The red candle means the price is falling. The green candle means the price is rising. We go to work when we see an up or down trend. If the charts show a static trend, then we stay away and look for another currency pair to trade on. The third tool I use are called Bollinger Bands, which I use in conjunction with the candlestick charts. They represent the upper asset average price, the middle asset average price, and the lower asset average price. The asset price always maneuvers between the upper and lower average. And you can see here that when a green or red candle hits an upper or lower average band, then the opposite candle is soon to follow. As you can see here, the green candle hits the upper Bollinger Band, and any moment the price will drop again. Bollinger Bands are basically indicators which help us determine when a price trend is going to change. So on a good trending chart, the price trends consistently upwards until the top band, and then consistently downwards until the bottom band, and so on and so on. Now that you can predict when a price trend will change direction, you can go to your broker platform and place a bid in the trending direction, and win again, and keep earning money as long as you want to. The best thing to trade on is currency pairs, and the option we use on our brokers platform is 60-second options. 60 seconds refers to the period from the start time of the investment to the expiry time of the investment. With my system, the most important event is when a candlestick touches an upper or lower Bollinger Band. When this occurs, the trend will reverse and continue up or down until it reaches the opposite Bollinger Band. The prediction of this allows us to know how an asset price is rising and falling. We profit from this prediction. Just so you are clear, I'm going to now make a few trades so you can see my system in action. This is a page I use to track currency pairs. There is a link to a similar page below the video. First, we need to turn our Bollinger Bands on. You can do so by clicking here and selecting them. As you can see, there are many indicators available, but the only one we care about are the Bollinger Bands. We can see a few currency pairs here, the Australian dollar to US dollar and the euro to the Australian dollar. As we take a look at these charts, we can see there are some okay trends, but not fantastic. There is some movement in this one, some steady up and down trends, which is what we're looking for. Oh, and you can see here a red down candle has touched the bottom Bollinger Band. This means the next candle will be a green candle. Now we go to our trading platform, select 60-second options. Select the currency pair the same as the chart in question, which is the euro to Australian dollar. Now we click Call to bid on a rising stock price. Click Approve, and you can see your position has been approved. In the Open Positions tab, we can see all information related to our bid. Now let me skip back to the candlestick charts for a second. We can see the red candle is still red. The next candle should appear any second now. Look at that, the candle just took a sudden rise. It's still red, but it's a good sign that the price has bounced and will reverse its trend direction. On our trading platform now, the open position is still red, which means the asset price is still below the strike rate. Oh, and there it goes back. One thing to remember when trading online is to keep calm. It can be very exciting when you win, but you must try to keep a level head to ensure your decision making is not affected by won or lost trades. You must stay calm to make justified, rational investment decisions. This system is not a gamble, not a guess, but a legitimate way to predict price trends and then profit from them in short turnaround times, in just 60 seconds. As soon as a candlestick touches an upper or lower Bollinger Band, the price will reverse trending directions, as you will see now. Just 2 seconds, the trade is almost closed. It takes a moment to validate, and you can see we have won. Now let's jump back to the candlestick chart, and we can see a huge rise in the stock price. This is such a drastic rise that I think the trend may be a little unpredictable, so let's see what's happening on some other currency pairs. Here we have euro to the Japanese yen, which has a red candle touching a bottom Bollinger Band, which means the price will reverse now. So let's jump back to the platform, check the correct asset and click call to bid on a rising stock price. And click approve. You can see the details of the trade in the Open Positions tab, including the strike rate, which is the price of the asset from when you placed the bid. And here is the current rate. In this case, because I chose to call and bid on a rising asset price, I want the current rate to be higher than the strike rate at the time of expiry. If I had bid put on a falling asset price, I would be predicting the current rate will be lower than the strike rate at the time of expiry. We've fast-forwarded this trade to the conclusion. 3, 2, 1. Validating. And the result is we have lost. This happens sometimes with the system, but it's okay. Sometimes, but not very often, there is a momentary change of direction in an asset price. The asset price trend is still trending in the predicted direction, but just for that moment the direction changed slightly, but the overall trend will continue. So jumping back now to the charts, we see one more red candle through the Bollinger Band. The asset price will definitely change trending direction this time. So now we jump back to the broker. We're going to click call again because the price will definitely rise this time. No, wait. We will up the bid to double the amount to make up for the lost trade. Now this time click approve, and we can see our position has been approved. I will now fast track this trade to the end, and we can see we are winners. As predicted, the asset price spiked upwards by 42 points over 1 minute. Now let's switch back to our charts to see what's happening. We can see the price has spiked and will continue to rise until the candlesticks touch the top Bollinger Band. So let's go back and click call that the price will continue to rise, and we see our position again approved. My system is a foolproof way to earn money, but only if you follow the system strictly. Read the candlestick charts carefully, scan the different charts like I have showed you to find the most profitable trends at that time. And when the candlestick is through the Bollinger Band, then it's about to change direction. This is such a great system because you don't need any financial knowledge. All you have to do is study the charts and take action when the candlesticks touch the top and bottom Bollinger Bands, and then act on the trend and place bids, and you will earn money. I'll speed up the trade to the result. Just think how much money you can make in half an hour if you know which way the charts are trending. With my system, you do know. Just follow the easy steps and you will start to earn money. Analyze the charts, and when you get a signal exactly like we had, then take action. The change of price direction is certain, consistent, and is easy to predict. If you don't understand the system completely, just go back, watch the demonstration again. It may be a lot to take in, but trust me, this is worth your time. This is your chance. I'm looking for action takers. If you're not serious, don't waste our time. Take action and learn this system now. Are you serious about changing your life? Are you serious about becoming financially independent? Are you serious about joining a collective of successful traders and helping me to help you? Prove it. Get into the system now, and let's see if you have what it takes. Click the link below.